So the first slime that we're going to be doing is a store-bought slime called the Amazing Slime Extra Glitter Use. I can't say that word. But it is like a purplish pink. Oh, that was satisfying. And it's clear. It has big chunks of glitter in it, but it like rubs when you pull it up. That bothers me. And it's like thick, like really thick, and like this time it will go with you. It won't like do this. Yeah, it won't do that. It doesn't really pop bubbles. That's the thing. It has so much bubbles, it just won't pop them as much. But the poking is really good. The poking is really good. Now let's test this. I love doing this with slime. Let's see if it will work. Okay, I do see a lot of bubbles. Okay, now that bubble pop is really good. Now let's see if it's just able to make a bubble. Okay. Oh, okay, it did make a bubble for a second. Okay, the bubbles are popping actually pretty good on here. So, that's good. Now it's time for the slime swirl. Okay, the slime swirl is actually pretty good now. So that is the store-bought slime, the Amazing Slime Extra Glitter. So yeah, time for the next slime. Okay, so here's the real slime. The whole time. This is literally my favorite slime ever. Kind of sticky, but it's fine because I love slime. So it does have a little bit of glitter in it, a little bit of the big chunks, but as you can see, it's not thick. It's really thin, which I love. Okay, the bubble pops are amazing. Here, you ready? Amazing. The poking, amazing, but I think the store-bought slime is a little more good at poking, but the bubbles are definitely, this slime is really good. The bubbles are much better than the store-bought slime. The one thing that I love doing with this slime is laying it out flat, put my hand like this, and then slowly rising it with all the slime, and then I don't know why, it's just my favorite. Y'all are probably like, why are you not activating it? It's sticky. I love sticky slime. So now let's see if it's able to do a bubble. It does do really good bubbles sometimes. Sometimes it can. See it bubble. Let's see if it will do it again. Okay, well I had a rip in it at the top, so let's try it one more time. So yeah, it's pretty good. His bubbles are bunch. The bubbles pop is amazing. I love doing this with it. It's where you think you're gonna be doing like a bubble, and then put it together, and then you swirl it. So, and then we're gonna.
I get almost $800 a month. You didn't know that. I did. That's been the last time you did this.
Ooga booga. Okay, let's do that one more time. I love doing that. Let's see if we can do it with this hand.
That's pretty good. I didn't, Justin.
ooga booga, ooga booga. And if you just roll it like that, it comes off pretty much. But now time for the slime swirls. The slime swirls don't stay because it's like sticky and it also like is very runny. So let's do the slime swirl. As I said, it's gonna be very runny. So it's not actually gonna be the best. See, not the best. But that is it for the real slime. So yes. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video. So please like, subscribe, and comment down below what other videos you would like to see. Don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos coming just like this one. Like, clap off. Bye guys.